Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI, one of the AI coins that's currently moving. FETCH is also on the move. FET showed us only a very shallow pullback. As per the alternative I showed you yesterday, I wanted to see a bit of a deeper pullback, but sometimes, especially in bullish markets, pullbacks are shallow. Consider that this was a wave 2 low here and that we are already in the larger third wave. Okay. First, I would say, let's see if we actually get these 5 waves in. Because only after that we can look if we can get into this wave 2 support zone, okay, which I cannot define yet. Then let's see if we can fill in this third wave. So we are still pretty much in the beginning, right? Some people already think they've missed the boat. I mean, yeah, it's not a pullback, but you know, this basically should have a little bit more to go, to be honest, okay? Please be aware that we've now reached a structural resistance area here. Breakout point, I think it might actually have broken, or it's just in the process of breaking here, these trend lines, yeah? So that's something for breakout traders, but it looks like it's gone. I don't think that's still part of a wave 1. It will then get too long, right? So I consider we are already in the third wave here of this larger wave 1. And if that is the case, then, well, the minimum target I have for this third wave is the 1.236 extension of this wave 1. So that's the minimum target for this wave 3 of circle wave 1. Double check that. Yeah. And better would be a move above 92 cents, you know, it would make it a more trustworthy third wave. So I will actually assume that we get to at least 96, but possibly even higher. I mean, these altcoins, when they are on the move, they tend to break resistance. So yeah, I'm looking at 92 cents plus, maybe 96, $1.03. These are sort of the next, yeah. The 100% extension is not so relevant for a third wave, but it could be relevant in case this is some kind of an ABC structure. So pay attention to it. The only reason why I mention this is sometimes when these pullbacks are so shallow, it could be a B wave. Yeah, yeah, and you know, then it could be, you know, whatever. This was only the A wave or something or whatever, and this is the B wave, and we come down in wave C again. Just want to mention that, but at the moment, this is just something, an alternative basically. So let's first see if we can break above this trend line, which it's trying to do right now. Then the 86 cent level would be a barrier to overcome on the smaller time frame. But don't forget about the bigger picture, okay? Don't forget about the bigger picture. We talked about that before. Bigger picture, zooming out a little bit. There you go. We had here a wave 2 low. Then this was a 5-wave move. Shallow pullback only. It could be a 1-2 setup, but also this was very shallow. So that's what I'm saying. It's possible that we're doing this, but unless we have further evidence for it, I cannot confirm that, okay? Looks quite impulsive to the upside for me. So I give it the benefit of the doubt that we're already in this third of a third wave rally. And get to, yeah, 96 cents plus. 92, as I said, is the bare minimum. And when do we get invalidation for this particular scenario? Well, we have to consider that something different is going on with a break below 64 cents. I mean, that tells you quite a bit. It's still pretty decent reward to risk ratio, especially if you consider that we might get a wave 4 and a wave 5 as well. So if we get all 5 waves, I mean, you would expect minimally $1.03, but probably better $1.15. I mean, as I said, further extensions are always possible. Even if you set a stop below the wave 2 low, it's still not very bad reward to risk ratio, but that changes rapidly on the crypto charts here. But it would not be a pullback trade. So if you trade momentum or something, trade within a rally, enter in a rally, you obviously have to have completely different risk management tactics than just buying in a pullback, which is much more convenient. But yeah, essentially I can only help you to understand the structure at the moment. Clearly the trend is up. In the last video we already talked about that probably this wave 2 here bottomed and that we're now in this third wave rally, which again will be subdividing into 5 waves. of which we're looking now at circle wave 1, which again is a 5-wave move. So that's what we're essentially looking at right now. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.